Hi, I'm Obvious and this is my submission. I chose track 3, the Million Scale Global App. I decided to create a gaming application with a forked version of the Flappy Bird game hosted upon it. And the infrastructure that it's hosted upon is a production-grade Micro-Saas infrastructure hosted in AWS. The main problem that the application solves, or this submission solves, is that it provides a cost-efficient, highly scalable, and resilient architecture for future vibe coders and indie project creators to host their POCs or their Micro-Saas applications on this. By aligning with the well-architected AWS framework and ensuring that the full cost, full expenditure and renting of AWS infra does not exceed the $100 amount per year. In addition to that, I also ensured that the infrastructure can scale to 1 million users as per the requirements of this project, which would make it, a brilliant starting point for any web app that somebody would have and would like to bring to life. The final question for this video is, why did I choose this problem? Because it's a problem that I've faced myself as a Micro-Saas creator, and I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to see if I could create something that, one, could actually have like an application in the real world. Two, if I win, I get a prize for it. So it's a multiple win situation. So now I'm going to do a quick run through of the actual application, how it actually works from the front end, and then I'm gonna pause the video and move to the back end of the application and do some run tests to verify that the system can handle at least 1 million connections playing through the game, as well as some extra metric tests. So we have a global leaderboard, and right now I'm logged in, but you can log out, and you can either log in or sign up. So I'm gonna sign up and make a new account. I'm gonna use another email address that I have. Call myself Bobby2. Then the password is gonna be a password is gonna be a password that only I know. Now I'm in. I can play without signing in, but I'm gonna play with my account because I'm already in. So to begin now, I just press tap. Okay. I just get one. Oh my god. I'm just trying to get on the leaderboard so I can show that it works. Okay, I got one. So therefore I've got global rank 2. And that data is stored and retrieved from a Dynamo DB base hosted in AWS. So I'm going to pause the video now so I can get ready to grab some extra metrics for you. And I'm also remembering why I hate this stupid game. Hi, we are now back. So now I'm just gonna run a quick load test. So it's gonna create some dummy players, and also it's going to inject test players into the database, and also there's another test I would like to run that can illustrate that the application can handle a million users connecting to the application. Yeah. So this here illustrates that it's making API calls to the application, so it can handle a million connections. And this demonstration injects further test players into the DynamoDB table. And then, so the flow control goes from from your client to Vercel, the front end, where it's hosted, where the front end is hosted, gets forwarded onto the API gateway, binding to Lambda, which is hosting the game stack, and then DynamoDB. So, yeah, if I now go back to DynamoDB in the console, refresh, we have a lot more data in there. That's the end of my demo. Thank you.